In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create timesheets and timers. We'll walk through entering accurate hours in Jobber, adding helpful notes, making quick fixes when needed, and finishing up with approval so your time is ready for payroll or reporting. We'll focus on recording time blocks manually, which mirrors what an in-app timer would capture. Start by heading to your Jobber dashboard. From there, look to the sidebar and open the Timesheets area. This is your hub for daily time entries, totals, and approvals. Once you're in, select a category for your entry. I'll use general as an example, but choose the category your team uses for this kind of work so reporting stays clean. Enter your morning start time and end time. Double-check the date at the top of the page so the hours land on the correct day, and make sure AM and PM are accurate. This is one of the most common mistakes. If your company tracks breaks separately, keep each block to just the actual working time. Jobber will calculate the duration automatically based on the start and end you provide, so you don't need to do any math. When that looks correct, click Save to record the morning block. Next, add your afternoon block. Use the plus Add Time button to create another entry, then type in the afternoon start and end time. This helps keep your day organized and makes it clear when you stepped away for lunch or switched tasks. If your workflow benefits from extra context, add a brief note. For example, you can note the job, location, or a short description like install, service call, or travel. Keep notes concise and consistent with your team's guidelines so reports are easy to scan later. When you're done, click Save again. If you spot anything that needs tweaking, maybe the start time was off by a few minutes, click Edit on that entry, make the adjustment, and save. After edits, review the totals to ensure there are no overlaps and the durations look reasonable. Keeping times rounded to your company's standard, like to the nearest minute, helps maintain accuracy. When your entries are ready, go to the Approve Timesheets tab. Here you can review the day's entries, confirm totals, and approve them. Approving locks in the hours so they're ready for the next steps in your process. If something looks off, simply return to the entry, make the fix, and approve afterward. That's it. Open Jobber, add your morning and afternoon time blocks, include notes when helpful, save, edit if needed, and approve. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.